Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the LINMAGCO storage ottoman, touted as one of the best green ottomans with storage available in the market. Whether you're looking to declutter your space or add a stylish touch to your home decor, this might just be the perfect solution. Let's explore what makes it stand out. The LINMAGCO storage ottoman combines functionality with aesthetics, featuring a modern design crafted from linen cloth and engineered wood. It measures 17 inches in length, 13 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, offering ample space for storage while maintaining a compact footprint ideal for small living spaces. One of the standout features of this ottoman is its ability to fold down effortlessly to just 2.5 inches in height when not in use, maximizing space efficiency. Despite its compact size, it offers generous storage space inside, perfect for storing books, blankets, toys, and more. Additionally, it includes side pockets for organizing smaller items like remotes or magazines. Designed with ergonomic considerations, the ottoman doubles as a comfortable footrest, providing relief from prolonged sitting and ensuring optimal comfort with its thick linen sponge padding. Constructed from high-quality engineered wood and upholstered in durable linen cloth, it can support up to 330 pounds, ensuring longevity and stability. Suitable for various settings including the living room, bedroom, office, or even outdoor activities like picnics or camping, thanks to its lightweight and portable design. If you're in the market for a versatile piece of furniture that not only enhances your living space, but also offers practical storage solutions, the LINMAGCO storage ottoman ticks all the boxes. Its combination of style, functionality, and durability makes it a favorite among homeowners looking to optimize their space without compromising on aesthetics. In conclusion, the LINMAGCO storage ottoman stands out as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a versatile and space-efficient storage solution. Whether you're furnishing a small apartment or looking to add a touch of style to your living space, this ottoman delivers on both practicality and aesthetic appeal. That wraps up our review of the LINMAGCO storage ottoman. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.